chance to take a look around this house yet?
You may have noticed that the light switches in this home are a little bit different than you're used to. Those are Deako light switches, a plug-and-play smart switch system that allows you to control the way you connect with your home.
Standard rocker switches have been installed all throughout this home, waiting to be upgraded by you. You can change any switch within seconds thanks to Deako's plug-and-play technology. You can create the lighting lifestyle you want without having to wire a new switch or even call an electrician.
With both simple and smart switch options, you're in control and you can upgrade in seconds. Remove the faceplate with a card, pull the blue tab toward you, pop in your new switch, reassemble, and voila, you have smart lighting.
Every D.R. Horton home comes with a free smart switch in the Home is Connected package. The smart switch gives you the flexibility to change your home's lighting to your lifestyle. Install it on your porch so that it'll turn on at sunset or off at sunrise. Place it in your kitchen so you can control your lights with voice assistance.
Now the big question is, why do you want to do this? Why is this important? Why am I watching this video? It's a good question. Well, your home is your future. We're gonna have events like birthday parties, anniversaries, graduations, and Deako is future-proof. As the world innovates, Deako innovates along with it.
For more information on Deako lighting, talk to your D.R. Horton sales agent or head to deako.com.